Hi, everyone. I hope everything is going well. So this week we are starting with Module 2, Markets for Publishing Writing. And so we do have another set of lesson materials for this week, which includes quite a few articles to get through relating to various markets for publishing, including print versus digital, the various types of publishing houses, markets for specific genres, and even some articles on publishing poems and short stories and self-publishing. So there are a lot of topics that are being covered, and I hope that you will find them to be interesting. I recommend getting started with the readings right away so that you're not trying to cram them all when we have our Tuesday discussion. And so after you do get through those lesson materials, we do have two discussion activities this week. So first, on Tuesday, we have a discussion on mapping the markets. And for this, you'll need to be drawing from some of the lesson materials, so you might find it to be helpful to look ahead to the prompt so that you can keep that in mind as you read through all of those articles. And of course, replies to classmates will then be due by Thursday night for that one. Then on Friday, we'll have another discussion activity, which is called Wandering the Markets. And here you'll be drawing from the lesson materials and from the first discussion activity to address the markets that most interest you. And of course, I have several questions on the prompt that you'll need to respond to in your post. And of course, then for that one, the replies to classmates will be due by next Tuesday. And these discussions and the lesson materials for this week are leading up to the Finding Your Market assignment, which we'll be doing at the end of next week. So it's good to be keeping that in mind. And as we map and wander the markets this week, I hope that you will not only learn a lot, but that you'll also get to see what markets interest you most. So, for example, I find the self-publishing to be particularly interesting. And if you do too, I'm happy to talk to you about that and share more. So as you do work on Module 2 this week and get through all of those readings and do our two discussion activities, let me know if you have any questions or difficulties.